Hey guys, it's Carries here, and I just want to let y'all know I'm doing random VR content now, and I just wanted to make this video just to kind of see and test the waters on what it's like to be a VTuber. So other than that, I hope y'all guys enjoy the content and enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.
I think we can do some gay shit without it being actually gay.
Especially since he's a girl now. Oh, never mind, he's a boy.
Oh. Wait, I mean, yes!
Yes!
Holy hell, you're wheezed.
Yo,
That's straight
this
down.
LMG. Oh.
No, that's my LMG. No, that's my revolver.
No camera, no camera,
No
no camera,
yo, you're a sniper. I got you.
This is my
Guys, there's a woman. Guys, there's a woman. What you can do?
You can shut up.
Guys,
You're
banana
so
on the
gay. You're so.
Look at him, he's so gay.
Where we
He's
dropping?
so
Where we dropping,
gay.
fam?
Look, he's gay. Typically a W spot. I've never
Dude,
landed
I got
here,
shield.
actually.
I
wouldn't
got
know.
Oh, sorry, I had a cough.
Sword? Oh.
I think somebody's near me too.
Yeah, I'm hearing.
Oh my
Yeah.
gun! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, come over
got
here.
you, fam.
Come over here. I'm reviving you.
I was trying to get to my gun. You don't understand. I left my gun over there.
He's on me. He's on me. Ouch you.
I'm coming. I'm getting my gun.
I'm
Don't
dead.
give up. Don't give up.
Don't give up, bro. We're coming.
He's
We're
camping.
coming.
He's camping me. Oh, he's on top of the roof now.
We're coming, bro. We're coming. We're gonna get.
He's
this
over here.
bitch.
He's on the other side. He's near the window. Now he's going up. He's going up. He's going up. Now he's on Curry. Curry. He's behind you.
I feel
Where
like
the fuck did he go?
Yeah.
Yes.
Shoot, bitch ass.
Daddy's
Bitch ass
revived me.
on. Bitch
Get
ass
Daddy's
on.
revived me.
Get
Revive me.
on.
Okay, come on.
You can't.
I'm trying to. Get him, boys.
There's my pee-pee.
Double revive. Double revive.
Give me all this shit. Give me all my shit back.
I saw a cool
That's my
gun
sword.
inside. I'm gonna go ahead
That's
and
my
get
sword.
It.
I'm just grabbing whatever, honestly.
Don't grab that air.
Banana.
Here.
How do you? Can you not run in this game?
You
no,
are
it's
running.
just- yeah.
Bro, weak ass run, boy.
Literally.
Weak ass.
I believe I can
I'm Thorin though,
fly.
but I am Thorin, good.
Why would you
Holy
stop? Not lazy. Why don't you just keep flying like me?
Loot!
Mine. My slushy pack.
They're fucking. Oh my gosh! I got double barrel. Look,
I like how he says
I'm
double
coming,
barrel.
There's a bubble
Oh,
dare.
I found up.
There's a bubble barrel.
I'm
Look at
carrying this.
these. Look at these. Bro, please.
Guys, we're close to circle. Come on.
Who's the one saying?
Dude,
look at
is
these?
that a double barrel shotgun?
Lazy pen. Obviously.
I found banana.
Guys,
Oh, I think
look at
those
these
are
guns.
one-
Guys,
pick up a
look at these
banana.
guns, guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, check out my sword.
Oh,
Check
dude,
out
my
this.
Guys, boys,
Oh,
we gotta
that's
go.
a
There's
good
no.
gun. You got a good gun.
Guys, there's
people
People in front of
people-
us.
Yeah,
Yeah, get the high ground. Get the high ground.
Shotguns down here.
I'm tagging them all up. I knocked one. I killed one.
Alright, I'm gonna keep pushing out.
Oh, he's dead. Behind him.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh my god, I love you guys.
Oh my god, there's more loot over here. I'm stealing.
Guys, we hit the fucking jackpot. Sorry, but does anybody have an LMG ammo?
It just takes me.
Want the shield? Give me the goddamn
Wait,
shield.
what is it? What ammo is it? Pistol ammo?
Yellow ammo.
Oh, yellow. I just picked some of that up and it like negative. It like brought me down.
There's a
ammo.
gold-
Oh
oh,
shit!
sniper.
I have no ammo for either of my guns. Oh, that way.
That way.
Okay. Are we good? Are we good in circle? Are we in circle? Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah. No, not yet.
Oh yeah,
Circle's
they are
lit.
in there. They're gonna get pushed out right now. Fuck, I don't
It's
see
X.
X. Oh, right, that way. Ow!
Yeah. Okay, you two still alive?
Shot to our left.
Yeah, I'm alive.
Might be someone down there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's people that way.
Yeah, they're over there. Yeah,
There's some
they're
people in
gonna come
storm.
through. Yeah, I see them.
Oh fuck, I'm coming under the building.
Tagged one. Tagged one.
I made it count. I made it.
Tag two. One's yellow. One's yellow. So he's legit low.
That's like a death.
Where's it at?
Top.
Oh shit, I'm going under. Fuck.
Don't go under, you pussy.
I'm a little pussy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna wrap around, that matter of fact. I'm gonna wrap around.
Oh,
Yeah. That's
right here. Help. He's lagging bad.
Got to possess.
We gotta go.
I'm out of ammo,
We gotta go.
Teammate down.
Oh, I didn't see his partner. His partner's right behind that rock.
Oh, get him, dude. He's a...
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go! I love you guys! I love you guys! Let's cheers! Let's make out!
Oh.
Oh, let's go, guys!
Play again with squad, dude.
Yeah, play again.